It saves me money and works better than any dry cleaner. My curtains come out bright as snow, and the best part? You probably have everything you need right in your kitchen. Start by filling a large bowl with just under a gallon of water. To get amazing results, we're blending a few easy tricks into one super soak. First, add 3 tablespoons of salt. It's great for lifting stains and restoring that bright white color. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid, followed by 3 tablespoons of baking soda for an extra boost. Then, stir in a tablespoon of baking powder. And here's the surprise ingredient. Drop in 2 aspirin tablets. Yep, aspirin. It works wonders. Let your curtains soak in this mixture for about 2 hours. After that, just toss them into the washing machine and run your usual cycle. Since the fabric is already pre-treated, there's no deep scrubbing needed, and the results? Fresh, bright, and beautifully clean curtains. Honestly, it works better than bleach. Put bay leaves in the washing machine. This trick will save you a ton of stress. Bay leaves are a popular ingredient in the kitchen, but they also have uses in laundry. They can effectively help remove stains. When you throw clothes of different colors into the washing machine, some may dye. Do you then have to throw away the dyed clothes? Absolutely not. A simple trick with bay leaves will save your clothes. All you need is a few bay leaves. Place them in a laundry washing bag and throw them into the washing machine with your stained clothes. Choose any program and turn on the washing machine. The stain problem should disappear. If the stains are intense, prepare a decoction of bay leaves. Boil water with a handful of bay leaves. After boiling, set aside to cool. Soak the stained clothes in the decoction for 3 hours. Then squeeze the clothes and wash them in a washing machine with detergent. Take the clothes out and enjoy their cleanliness. Your laundry will smell amazing for up to a year. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Even after pulling clothes out of the closet, you'll notice their beautiful fresh scent. Grab a bowl or small container. Add a generous amount of ice cubes. The ice melts slowly, which helps gradually release the fragrances. This allows the ingredients to absorb better into the fabric. Next, add a good amount of laundry detergent powder. It acts as a scent carrier, releasing fragrance with every movement of the fabric. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bowl, then pour in even more softener. Mix everything thoroughly. The ice should be well coated with the mixture. This is important. Place your clothes or other textiles like towels or bedding into the washing machine drum. My neighbors always ask how I do it when I hang my laundry out on the balcony. Pour the contents of the bowl directly into the drum. Start the wash cycle as usual. Your clothes will come out smelling incredibly fresh and fragrant for a long time. A homemade trick that works better than many expensive scented products. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine, or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, Spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white. Put a sock on an empty bottle. You'll soon understand why this trick is going viral. Start by preparing a bowl and filling it with very warm water. Place your socks in the bowl and leave them for a few minutes to soak thoroughly. Meanwhile, get your favorite laundry detergent ready. Don't add it to the water, just keep it nearby. Take an empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's not too big. Slide one of the wet socks over the bottle. Because the fabric is stretched and damp, it'll go on easily, even if the sock is tight. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour a bit of detergent over the fabric with the other. Then take a soft brush and gently start scrubbing the surface of the sock. You'll quickly notice the difference. This method effectively removes not only general dirt, but also stubborn stains, especially in high-wear areas. No washing machine can clean the fibers this precisely. This simple manual trick really works. It turns out a basic bottle can replace the old-fashioned washboard our grandmothers used. Finally, rinse the socks well in clean water. They'll look as good as new. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Throw a trash bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised at what it can do. A simple plastic bag will make your clothes come out cleaner. How is that possible? Clothes collect dust, lint, and hair, which often settle around the rubber seal of the washer. These particles remain in the drum and mix with clothes in the next wash. But a simple plastic bag can solve this problem. Place a plain, unprinted plastic bag in the washing machine along with your clothes or towels. Add detergent, a laundry pod, and fabric softener as usual. Set the wash cycle to a temperature no higher than 40 degrees and start the machine. What happens next? You'll notice more foam than usual because the plastic bag enhances detergent foaming. Additionally, during the wash cycle, the bag will attract dirt, hair, and lint from your clothes. Once the wash is done, open the machine, take out your laundry, and remove the plastic bag. Your clothes will be cleaner, and your washing machine will be free of lint and hair.